Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about web scraping. So what is web scraping? So web scraping is a process to refer the extract data from any website. So you have multiple ways to extract data. So here I will discuss about how we can extract data through the query on websites. So suppose we have tables on any of the website where we are maintaining exchange rate. Okay, so for exchange rate table you have to apply the query to pick those data. So how we can pick the data through the query? Let's see the practical approach. Here I'm just moving on uh, x here I will take, I'm just moving on. Yeah, so here I'm just opening the Excel. So VBA training, this Excel file I'm just opening, VBA training. Now, in this Excel file, I need to extract data in blank sheet from exchange rate. So you should aware about the table and website from where you have to extract the data. Okay. So see here, I'm going to developer tab and Visual Basic. And here I'm adding a new module to write down the code. So here you need to write sub import data from web. Okay. So now what I have to do here, I need to write dim ws as a worksheet, dim qt as query table. Okay. Now dim url as string. So two object variable I have defined. My first variable is worksheet object variable. Second variable is a query table object variable. This is a qt table variable name, and URL is a normal variable, which is data type is string. String means we can store your text data here. So here I need to write URL, and here I will store website name. Okay, website address I have to store here. So here I'm going to extract data from exchange rate website. One website is exchange rate. Let me check the website. So here I'm writing, so www dot x rate, yeah, this one. So these are tables, but here I need to extract data from table, rates table. Okay, so this is the exchange rate table. We have two tables here. This is a, this table is first table and this is second table. Okay, so I need to extract data from these two tables. So how we can do it? So you have to copy this website and go to this. Here I have pasted the website name. Now this website will be stored in URL variable. Now what I have to do here, I need to write set ws. So here I need to write set ws equal to, you need to set any seat name. Suppose I want to set here set 15. Here I'm writing macro. Okay, and I'm just removing this data. So here my seat name is macro. Okay, so in macro sheet you have to extract the data. Okay, so you need to write here seats, and you have to put down the sheet name macro. Okay. Now you need to write here set qt. Qt is also object variable name. In qt, you need to pass here ws dot query tables. In query tables, you have to write down the query add, and here you need to pass connection. So connection means which connection? URL connection. Okay. So here you need to take bracket, and here you need to take space and underscore. I want to split this query into multiple line. That's why I have taken it. Now here I'm taking connection. Okay. Colon equal to, you have to write here within inverted comma, I'm writing URL, and terminator. Terminator is a semicolon. Inverted comma. Then I will take here website name. Okay. So website name you have to take through the URL variable. Okay. So in this variable I have stored the website name. Okay. This variable I have stored the website name. So same variable I have used. This is not a variable. Okay. So here is variable, because within the inverted comma we cannot take variable. Okay. So here I have taken the variable, and then you have to put down comma, and second part you have to take a space underscore. You need to move on next line. So here you need to write destination, where you have to pick the data. Destination colon equal to, you have to take here reference of A1 or B3, whatever. So I'm taking here reference of B3. So I want to pick the data into B3. So I'm taking here B3 reference. So this is the destination. You have to close two brackets. Okay. This bracket closed here at last, and this bracket closed here. Okay. Now I have written the query. Now what you have to do, you need to write here with qt this query. This query you need to execute, but here I will take few properties and methods. So you need to take here query name. I'm taking here name, and here I'm taking equal to, then write down whatever things you can write here. Okay, here I'm writing XYZ. This is a name, just a name. Okay, now enter here. Now you have to take here WE web formatting. Web formatting equal to, you have to decide the format. So first I'm taking this format, all format, and here I'm writing dot refresh. Okay, and you have to close the with end with and with. This end with is closing of this with. Okay, so I have closed this with and with. Okay, so now I'm pressing F5. Let me check. Do we get any error, or it will run successfully? So see here, I'm just getting data. Yes, I have received data from both tables. So this is a first format, and I want to change here format. Now I'm just removing this data, and I'm taking here another format. So we have another format is, you have to take equal to, then second format you have to take it, press F5. Now you will get different format. Okay, see here you are getting different format. Okay, so XY is written here name, so XY will show while extracting the data here. Okay, so here I have taken XYZ. Now I want to pick the data from second table. This is a second table, so you will have to write here uh, dot wave table tables. Okay, equal to, you have to pick data from second table. Okay, now I'm just removing this table, delete. Now what you have to run, you have to run this. Now you will get data from second table. First table data you will not get. Oh, sorry. Here I need to take inverted comma. Here I have received data from both the table. I'm not taking both the tables data. I have to take only data from second table. So you have to take table number into inverted comma. I'm pressing F5. You can see here you will get data. So see here XYZ. XYZ you are looking here. By default it's taking 1. Okay. So here still I'm getting table, all tables. So oh, might be I'm getting data from first table. Okay, let me. So you have total rows is 53. Okay, so now I'm just taking data from all the tables. So what I have to do, suppose I'm not writing this line, I will get data from both the tables. So as of now you have total 53 rows. If I'm getting data from both the tables, so rows should increase. Okay, so here I'm running this macro F5, see here XYZ and getting data from this website. Okay, so this is the first table and my data is starting from second table, which is a first data is Argentina peso. Okay, and this is a first table data. So this table is first table and second table has 53 data. Okay, so see here 53. So I'm getting second table data through this code. Which code? I show you. Okay, so here I need to write dot web tables. Okay, equal to, you have to take inverted comma 2. Okay, press F5. See here, now I'm getting 53 data from second table. Okay, so see here, including header, I'm getting 53 rows. Now I'm just changing. As of now, you are getting this format. So Excel web formatting none. Okay, so here I'm taking another format. So you will get different format here. So equal to, I'm taking second format. Second format is this format. Now I'm just removing it. Press F5. Now you will get different format. Formatting none is not no format. And here sorry, I need to take format from this one, RTF. Okay, press F5. Now you will get different format. Wait, yes, you can see here, and this data adjusted in right side. Okay, so this is a way to extract the data. Okay, so this is a format with hyperlink, so you will get here hyperlink also. So see here, I'm getting this. Okay, so this is the blue color I'm getting in this format. Okay, if I'm putting another format, so see here, I'm just taking another format, Excel none. Okay, so I'm not taking any format. So here I'm just running it. See here, done. So this is another format. Now I'm taking here no format. So at that time you have another option, all. Okay, so here I'm just deleting it. You will not get here blue color. So see here, let me check the format. Yeah, so this is the hyperlinked format. Okay, so if you click on this link, then you will get another website. Okay, for that particular data you will get. Okay, see here. Okay, so now I have told you how we can pick the data from all table and only one table. If you want to pick the data from all the table, no need to write this line. So I'm just removing this line. Now you will get data from all the tables. So press F5. So you will get data from all the tables, sir. See here, I'm getting data from both the tables. All the table means only two table we have. So I'm getting data from both the table. So that's all for web scraping for this chapter. Okay. Thank you so much.